In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Google Sheets. If your list feels scattered and you want it organized in seconds, alphabetically, numerically, or by date, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Start by going to Google in your browser. In the top right, click the small grid icon, the Google Apps launcher, and choose Sheets. This opens Google Sheets so you can get to work right away. Next, open your document. Pick the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to organize. Once it loads, decide which column should control the order. Maybe it's a name column, a total, or a date, depending on what you want to analyze first. Click the letter at the top of that column to select it. That selection tells Google Sheets which values should determine the order for the entire sheet. Sorting by a column won't break your table. It keeps each row together so related information stays aligned across all columns. Now, head to the menu bar and click Data at the top. From the drop-down, hover your mouse over Sort Sheet. You'll see options that reference the column you selected, like Sort Sheet by column C, A to Z, and Sort Sheet by column C, Z to A. The letter may be different on your screen, matching the column you clicked. Choose the direction that fits your goal. A to Z sorts in ascending order. Text goes from A to Z, numbers from smallest to largest, and dates from earliest to latest. Z to A sorts in descending order. Text from Z back to A, numbers from largest to smallest, and dates from latest to earliest. As soon as you click, the sheet rearranges based on that column, keeping all rows intact so your data remains accurate. Take a quick look to confirm the first few rows match your expectations. If it's not what you intended, use undo to revert instantly and try the other direction. Also be aware that blank cells or mixed data types in a column can influence where certain rows end up, so consistent formatting in that column will give you the cleanest results. And that's all there is to it. You opened Google Sheets, selected the column you want to use, went to Data, hovered over Sort Sheet, and chose Ascending or Descending. With just a couple of clicks, your information becomes easier to read, compare, and share, so you can find what you need faster and make better decisions with your data.